It is so warm here in the UK, guys. Literally, I've tied my hair back because it's just sweating like a good in. Dry shampoo completely all over my hair because it just keeps getting oily. You wash it, it goes oily. You wash it, keeps going oily. Got a bottle of juice ready. Keep it hydrating. Let's go. Hi everyone, this is Becky, Black Art Beauty 14. Now, in today's video, I am super excited to do this video. I'm going to be trying on, for the first time on camera, one of the new eyeshadow palettes from 1,000 times Google translating later of trying to pronounce it correctly. This palette from Linzai Beauty. Now, how I came across Linzai Beauty was they followed me on Instagram and I came across their Instagram page, and it just, when I was looking through their page, I just see these gorgeous girls wearing these incredible lashes, and literally 1 week later they were then announcing a new eyeshadow palette on their website and a few others, and I was like, typical, I think this is just fate. Now they've stolen my bank card. So I'm going to be trying and playing for the first time their eyeshadow palette and one of their false lashes, because I've seen so many of the girls on there trying them on and they look flawless. And these eyelashes, I don't have them in my collection, so I would love to give them a go and see how they look, see how they apply. So it's sort of like a first impressions really, because this is still in the packaging. I haven't tried this. The brand don't even know I'm making this video. This is not sponsored. So yeah, we'll be trying these two on today. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell. The bell's very important. You have to hit the bell first apparently. I think it's one of the YouTube's main policy. So yes, please do not forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram right here, where I tend to post my YouTube content here and there. So let us get started by trying on this and this. So it's not just eyeshadow palettes and lashes they do. They also have their own liquid lipsticks, and they've also just brought out eyebrow pomades. And from what I believe and what I researched, they're a London-based brand, so they are from the UK. So when I ordered the products, they gave these like cards of like what other lashes and liquid lipsticks they have. So I will put it on screen so you guys can see it. But they got some really lovely nude colours and nice reddish colours like pinky reds. Oh, I like Sand Queen. And those purples, oh my god, Goddess and Passionateful, oh my god. Wait, Passionateful? Passionful, oh, so pretty. And then they've also got other false lashes as well. Cira is the one I have. So then you've got Rouge, Lily, Roma. You've got all these other different false lashes and they look absolutely amazing. Just gonna be opening the package now, super exciting. So I've already done my eyebrows off camera. I use the Sukiyu framing eyebrow liquid pen. I did rave about this in my last video, absolutely obsessed with it. That's what I'm wearing today, and I used a bit of concealer to clean it up. So let's take this out of the packaging. So, oh my god, right, just take it out of the box. But these do say that this brand is cruelty free, so that's pretty cool. So, oh my god. Pink Goddess this packaging is. Look at the packaging, guys, look. Oh my god, look at the packaging! This is so pretty. It does remind me of a lot of the, what is it? The Cira palettes that they have, and Make It Revolution. I know that they've come up with a very similar packaging like this, but you know what? Who cares? Look how beautiful that is. This is so, what is it? Memorizing. Like literally, you just, you know, I can say this today. Right, anyway, let's take a look at the eyeshadows inside, shall we? So inside, wow. Oh, see my mirror. Ooh. Let me just lower that down. But look at these, so pretty, So pretty. You've got actual pressed glitters in this palette, and you've got these gorgeous pink colours. So you've got these shimmers, these pink mattes, so pretty. So do a little bit of a swatch, shall we? So I'm gonna, obviously we know what glitter looks like, so I'm gonna just swatch some of the matte and the shimmer colours. Ooh, okay. So they look promising. Well, that's 3 of them there. Ooh, it felt really velvety soft, especially the matte. I felt really, really soft. And that shimmer at the bottom actually. Felt so, so nice. Let me swatch this hot pink as well. That's so nice. Do you know what? Let's swatch one of the glitters. I'm going to swatch this one. Oh, oh my god, that glitter. You might not be able to see properly from here, but that's nice. It felt really, really nice. As you guys noticed, I've already applied tape to my face because when I saw the look of it on the website, I pretty much knew exactly what I wanted to do. So I'm going to create, thinking of creating a little bit of a cut crease and then using those glitters as like an eyeliner. Yeah. So I'm going to start off with the matte, the white, the cream colour, the matte white. Just going to take it on a Superdrug Studio brush. I'm just going to apply this all over the lip. Wow, that's pigmented. Oh, and I did already prime with the Decay prime version. But wow, that's pigmented. I just thought that the eyeshadow might make a really good base because where it's such a creamy white eyeshadow, this might help those pink colours pop a little bit more. So, but that's pigmented. What? Right, but that white was so pigmented. I can't believe how pigmented it was. It's insane. Right, I'm going to go in now, just below that bright pinky glitter. I'm going to use the lightest pink shade in the palette. Just going to grab the same brush and I'm just going to work this in the crease, bringing it up quite high and bringing this here. So pigmented. I'm just doing one tap of the brush and the product's just coming out. Oh, this is so lovely. Right, I'm going to take the darkest colour now, which is that darker purple colour. Just going to grab a Makeup Revolution brush. This is a little bit smaller brush, a bit more of an intense brush. Dense brush. Just going to grab that purple and I'm going to work this just about here. I'm just going to work it here and bring it across. Really build it up. You can really pack this colour. Wow. Right, I'm now just going to grab the second darkest pink. So below that matte cream colour, just going to grab another studio brush. Just going to grab that one. And I'm just going to literally place this on top where we did the darker colour. So then there's a bit of a gradient, but it also helps to blend the darker colour out as well. It just helps blend colours. Well, I've lost a bit of that darkness, so I'm just going to bring that back. Just going to re-add it and bring it back. Just going to go back in with the first brush just to blend everything out on the top bit and also bring out that gradient. I am so impressed with the pigmentation on this palette, guys. I'm so impressed how they're blending out. They are so amazing, especially since it's a brand that I've never heard of this brand and it's not very well known. You know, it's not like you can go into Superdrug or Boots and buy an eyeshadow palette from Rimmel or Maybelline or something, you know. Linzai Beauty is something that I've never heard of, so when they followed me on Instagram and when I saw their new palettes, I was like, I've got to try it. I've just got to try it. And I'm so glad I am now because this is beautiful. But I'm going to start cutting my lid. I'm going to use my Kiko Full Coverage Concealer. Just going to grab it with a flat brush. Just going to grab that. cutting the lid. Okay, I think I've cut my lid enough, so I'm going to set it in place. I'm going to use that pinky colour, the light pinky colour. So yeah, very light pink colour. So I'm just going to take it over Decay flat brush. Just going to grab that. Now I'm going to use that on top just to set that cut crease in place. So, damn, that's pretty. Whew. I could have used that matte white as well, but nah, I thought I decided to go for a bit of a pinky shimmer. That looks really pretty. We're going to try out those glitters now. That's in the palette. So, thinking of doing like a gradient, like obviously there's a gradient going on here, so I thought maybe we could do a gradient glitter as well. So I'm going to start with the lightest shimmery pink, so the glittery pink. They do sell a glue adhesive, but I'm just going to use my own. So this is by Barry M. So I think I'm just going to dot a bit of that on the edge. Let's take it with my brush, the glitter. Feels like a, yeah, it feels like a putty sort of form. Cool. We'll go with an angle brush instead because that one, our brush wasn't really picking it up. So we're going with an angle brush instead. Oh, there we go. And I've already applied a bit of glue on the lid. And I'm just going to start packing it on. Right, now I'm going to use the slightly darker pinky shimmer, glitter, sorry. So, grabbing the glitter glue on an angle brush, gently pressing it on. I find this is the best way for me to do it, so pat the glitter glue on first, and an angle brush. Right, now the darkest glitter. So here we go. Like this. By that glitter glue. Okay, so I've just taken the tape off and just went over with concealer just to sharpen up the lines a little bit. Yeah, they're not the greatest wings I've done. I kind of got carried away, but oh well. Never mind, I still like the sort of ombre effect they give. So we're going to try on the lashes now. Super excited, super excited. So these ones, as you can see by the box, these are the Linzai Beauty lashes. And I picked up the number 1 Cira. But I absolutely love the packaging. It's like this black glitter, but it's not that sort of packaging where you rub it and you get glitter all over your hands and it goes everywhere. It's proper like coated on the box, but it's a really nice packaging. And then you get obviously the lashes inside. These are so stunning. I haven't got anything like these in my collection. These are so pretty, and they very kindly gave me this as well, which is the eyelash applicator, so I'm going to be using that as well. Didn't order this, they just gave it to me, so I'm happy for that. So yeah, we'll give these a go. So the eyelashes look amazing on the website, they look so pretty. Right, I've already trimmed them, so just going to apply, they're really full on, they're proper wispy, so they've got quite a thick band, but they're very, very wispy, so I haven't got anything like this, so I'm just going to apply a bit of the glue. Yeah. Wait 30 seconds till it gets tacky. Alright, got them on the lash applicator. Right, the lashes are now on. I've never worn lashes like this before. Like, this is probably the thickest lash band I've ever worn. So they were quite difficult to work with, I'm not going to lie, trying to put them on, but like I said, it was my very first time putting on a thick lash band, so I might need a little bit more practice putting it on, but I love the style. I haven't got anything like this, so to have a style like this is pretty dramatic. If you like proper fluffy dramatic lashes, then yeah, these will be for you. I'm going to finish the rest of my face off camera, and then I'll let you guys know my personal opinion at the end. That is it, guys. I have completed my whole look. So I did go on the brow bone with that Wet n Wild highlighter, and I did pop a little bit of that inner corner. I just used a little bit of that colour right there, just pop it in the inner corner. Right, my feedback. So the eyeshadow palette, absolutely beautiful. Packaging 10 out of 10. The matte eyeshadows, the shimmer eyeshadows, absolutely beautiful. Love those. The glitters, to use them as eyeliner, it was a little bit tricky. So I think next time, I think I'm just going to use the glitter all over the lid, and that should be absolutely fine. So I was kind of experimenting. Didn't really work out as an eyeliner, but to put on the lid, no problem. But yes, beautiful palette. The eyeshadows blended so well. They were fantastic. I created this really nice cut crease ombre. Love it. Why did I say ombre? This cut crease, really love it. The eyeshadows blended fantastically. Would highly recommend this palette, absolutely. Now, the eyelashes. Love the design. I love the design of the eyelashes. They are beautiful. They're full-on, volumizing, fluttery eyelashes. The only thing I would say is the lash band is very thick. Like I said, I've never worked with a lash band that thick before, so I might need a little bit more practice, but I did find it hard to kind of stick them on. So but I reckon with a bit more practice I probably would get better at doing them, but apart from that, they are beautiful. They're very fluttery. If you like that dramatic, volumized, fluttery lashes, definitely pick these ones up because they are really good. So yes, so this is my look. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell. Please hit that notification bell because it's very crucial on YouTube. I don't know why. So don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram right here, where I tend to post my YouTube content here and there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!